family. I hope you're all doing okay today. Welcome and welcome back again to my channel at Awino Linet. Here is where we become better every day all together. If you're new into this channel, before I forget, kindly just be part of this family by subscribing. Hit the red subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and remember to give us a like. It supports our channel. Today we are going to talk about some of the essential things that those students who want to come and study in Italy should never miss to pack in their bags. So stay tuned. Just beginning shortly, there are certain things that are very much essential for those who want to come and study in Italy, and these are some of the things you should never miss in your bags. 1. You should never miss your passport and visa. Ensure that the first thing you pack is your passport and visa. Ensure that your passport is valid and your visa is valid, so that you'll not find trouble during the immigration. Number 2, ensure that you have your air ticket ready. Air ticket simply means you have the ticket. It can be either maybe you booked the ticket online, there's no trouble. But as long as you have that ticket, you've printed it out, you really know when you want to travel, it is very much okay. But ensure that you have your air ticket ready with you. Number 3, your academic documents. Yes, academic documents, even if you studied in Kenya, whichever part of the country, it doesn't matter. Academic documents are so much essential. You can never miss to work with your academic documents. Since you're coming to study in Italy, you're coming as a student in Italy, your academic documents are very much essential. And in most cases, most of these documents are always required when they're translated. So ensure that you come with your documents. Some of them, like the certificates, ensure your certificate, your transcripts are translated so that you don't get any more trouble in Italy. Because in Italy here, we just speak Italian, little English. Number 4, don't forget to carry your authenticated documents from the embassy. Carry documents that really show that you're coming to Italy to study. Because as I can talk about myself, I can use myself as an example. Yes, when you come to the immigration, especially when you reach Italy, one thing they'll want to know: what are you coming to do in Italy? But when you have those authenticated documents ready with you, very much stamped by the embassy, Italian embassy in Kenya, or in any other part of the country, whichever place you are, it will pretty much help you out. Number 4, don't forget to carry your laptop. If you have a laptop outside there, don't forget to carry your laptop. Your laptop is so much essential. And while traveling with your laptop, remember to put your laptop aside. Just carry it aside on its separate bag. Don't pack it in your big luggage, because it is automatic that you will be forced to open your big bag or your big suitcase and bring out that laptop. So just carry your laptop with your handbag that you're going to check in. Number 6, remember to carry a very light handbag. Inside that handbag, remember to put your personal effects. I remember when I was coming last year but one, I forgot to put things like toothpaste. I forgot to put things like lotion. So these are some of the essentials that you need to put in your small handbag, because you may get a flight that may move from your country to another country before you reach Italy, and you may find that you'll rest in that particular country for even sometimes more than 10 hours or even 8 hours or even 9 hours. So it depends. So remember to carry your personal effects that will help you along the way. Things like toothpaste. You'll want to brush your teeth maybe when the morning comes. So remember to carry any personal effect you'll deem essential on your way. For this, I must tell you, number 7, this one I think most people don't talk about, but number 7, remember to carry, to put on very comfortable shoes. I remember when I was coming to Italy, I'd put on very high heeled shoes. This really gave me trouble because at each checkpoint, at each immigration point, you have to remove your shoes, you have to remove your watch, you have to remove anything any extra thing you're putting on so that you can be able to be checked. But now if you put on very uncomfortable shoes, you'll also feel very uncomfortable. So just put on very simple shoes that when you reach the immigration point, you'll not find any further trouble in removing your shoes. Number 8, remember to pack the address of where you're heading to. I remember when I was coming here, I didn't have anyone to receive me at the airport, yes, but because I had the address, I knew where I was going to way back when I was in Kenya. It helped me a lot. I was in Kenya, but I literally knew where I was going to. I knew from the airport I was going to take this bus and take me to this place. Even if I couldn't take a bus, I would take a taxi, yes, but I knew where I was going to. So please remember to carry the address, remember to write down the address where you'll be going to. Before boarding that flight, ensure that you go to the money changers and change some Kenyan shilling or whichever country you're coming from, change that currency to euros, because this will really help you so much. Once you get off the plane, you'll want to board a bus, you'll want to board a taxi. How will this happen? You'll have to use the little money you carried along with you. Before you settle, there are things you need to do in Italy here. So that money you carry from whichever country you're coming from in euro form will help you within your first stay in Italy. Number 10, don't forget to carry your country's or local phone number. Don't forget to carry the credit card you attained from your country. Those credit cards are very much essential. If you have some money, if you can put some money in that credit card, it will help you so much. Because nowadays people use Visa, MasterCards, they are used everywhere in the world. So remember to carry your credit cards and your phone line number. Number 11, don't forget to carry warm clothes and light clothes. Warm clothes will be very useful during winter. Like now, it is winter. Yes, it's coming to spring, but it has been so cold. So warm clothes will really help you during winter. Then carry slightly light clothes. Not slightly, carry light clothes, because summer here is not a joke. Yes, here summer gets heated to more than 40 degrees. So ensure you carry light clothes for summer and heavy clothes for winter. Number 12, for ladies, if you know you have hair and there are certain beauty products you use, before you settle down in Italy, remember to carry your beauty products along with you, and remember to carry hair products with you. If you want to carry braids, if you want to carry those waves, carry them along with you, because here this is a white country and people have their hair pretty much long. So you will find trouble finding a place where they sell hair products. So remember to carry that. Just pack enough in your handbag. Not in your handbag, in your suitcase. And the last one, number 13, remember to carry your local food stuff. Here is not a joke, guys. This place is not a joke. You'll go for 1 month, for 2 months, for 3 months, you'll start missing that ugali. You'll start missing that sukuma wiki. Yes, it is real. You'll start missing that omena. Like me, I'm deadly missing omena, sukuma wiki. At least ugali, for the case of flour, I've tried to get in some of the local shops. So if you can, yes, people always have myths that you can't carry this, you can't carry that, but if you can, please carry some of your local food stuffs. And while carrying this, ensure you have that big suitcase of yours. Ensure that you pack them inside there together with clothes so that you are not in trouble. Just ensure you carry enough of these foodstuffs that will push you to the next time, or that will make you not miss so much of home food. This place, you can miss home food deadly. I hope we take note of all the 13 essentials we've discussed about, and this will make your arrival and stay in Italy smooth. Thank you so much for listening to me. I hope this video becomes helpful to anyone who wants to come and study in Italy, and thank you so much for listening once more. If you're new into this channel, still you are most welcome, and please don't go if you've not subscribed. Hit that red button, give me a thumbs up, which is my like, and then remember to turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my good videos. Thank you and bye bye for now. Ciao.